We're gonna support Stupid through his journey. Then we're also gonna structure his career.
Now, your favorite artist, Stupid Boy, renowned for the famous music Jibag Najat, has been released from the rehabilitation center. I mean, ujamaa alienda pale Ogaobina show na aka plead tu, akasema yeye kama tu anaweza pelekwa pale rehabilitation, manze tu aende go through the process of rehabilitation because he was an alcoholic. Inaweza kuwa kitu fiti sana, na akasema pia anaweza penda kurudi shule so that maisha yake iweze kuchange. So from there Ogaobina aliweza kuchukua Stupid Boy wakampeleka pale rehabilitation center, where the guy in just 3 months kuna changes, jamaa amenona kuruka. So if you are an alcoholic who is willing to change, bana, pale rehabilitation center is the way to go, kwa sababu pale ni kama kuna chakula tamu tamu, kuna chakula mzuri mzuri, because ukiangalia jamaa amenona manzi. Ametoka rehabilitation after just 3 months. Na Ogaobina wameenda pale na crew yake, wakasema wamempatia accommodation, atakuwa anaishi rent free, atakuwa anaenda gym, watampeleka shule ili aweze kulearn skills kama za editing, music production na the rest of the stuff. Na on top of that watakuwa wanaenda na Ogaobina kwa ile show yake asubuhi, so that aone vile mitambo zinaguzwa.
Gym wanaenda na gym na Nick. Wakirudi mnaweza na kamsini na shughuli zetu, wanaenda shule na Nick, wanarudi home. Food is taken care of, house is taken care of, clothes is taken care of, everything. Okay? For the next 3 months or so. After that one, after we've seen the momentum building, now there is easier for us to say sasa hapo unaweza kaa kwako peke yako without someone monitoring. Because now tukimwacha zaki udigota city, tena the same environment, a lot might not change. Peer pressure, stigma and everything. So now we just want to move him away from that. While he's doing that one, his music, he's recorded a couple of songs. Ndio alikuwa na recorder akiwa ninaona hapo na mimi hapa Vybz Kartel. Uko jela lakini una speed. Yeah, so he's done a couple of songs, and we're gonna find a way to release them. We'll sit down as a team with him, with the Castro and Fizo and other creatives. We figure out which one goes first where. I've realized Nani is a very good fan of his. King Fizo is his producer and close friend. Castro is also his video producer and close friend. So we're gonna come together, the three of us, and find a way to give his life structure kidogo. So for the next 3 months, he's gonna move in with Munez and Omosh because they live next to each other. So the reason why we're doing this is that someone needs to monitor him on a daily. He's gonna start the gym. Then he's also being taken to Gold Child Media.